Hi everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I have a haul to share with you today. I went thrifting in honor of National Thrift Day. Yes, that is a holiday I definitely wanted to celebrate. Did you go out thrifting on National Thrift Day? If so, let me know how you did. I really had no business stepping foot in a thrift store. I have plenty of inventory and I am in the process of downsizing, but I went to my local charity thrift store and all the proceeds go to animals, and I am all about that kind of thrift store. I did take a donation, and of course while I was there I had to see what was on their racks. This particular thrift store marks their shoes and clothing pretty high, but they always have an ongoing 80% off shoes and clothing sale. So most of the times I can pick up shoes for about $1.60. They raised their prices from a few years ago when everything used to be 90% off, but shoes generally cost me about $1.60 and clothing anywhere from 80 cents to $3. In today's video, I have shoes, I have clothing, and my mother found the very best piece of all. I'm going to share that at the end because that one piece is going to pay for this entire haul and probably just double my money. That's what I'm guessing. I could use your help on that. Please stick around to see that and hear the cute story behind that pickup. I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to start with clothes because the clothes are actually on top of the shoes. So I decided to get these jeans. This is a pair of jeans that I have never seen before, Weatherly. I like the style. This is a straight leg. It is an ankle or a bit of a crop length, distressed with the raw hem on them. They are a stretchy denim, Weatherly, and they are a size 31. So that's a really good size to sell. And also this is totally up my alley. These look exactly like denim that I wear. So I thought I would bring them home. I do want to try them on and see how good they are. This is a brand that is sold at Nordstrom's. I was not familiar with that. They retail for about $98 and you can find them on sale at Nordstrom around the $40 price point. I think these are in pretty good condition and I am excited to give this brand a try. Okay, you're gonna see that nothing has been processed and I picked up this skirt. Look how cute this skirt is. This is a J. Jill wool skirt with that floral embroidery on the hemline, and it also has a cute little kind of lace detail around the waistline. This one is J. Jill and it's a size 14 J. Jill. I picked up this skirt to put in a whatnot show. It's a great size and I'm going to put together kind of a fall show. So this will be featured in that fall show. This one is Chico's. This is Chico's size 2 if I'm not mistaken. And this one, I think it's really cute. It's a nice chunky cardigan, almost like a jacket type sweater. It has pearl detail around the neckline. I am going to try this one in my fall show on Whatnot as well. And guys, I just had to get this. This is a New at Tags swimsuit. It's a size 16 and it is a bikini and the tags are stuck together. There we go. This is the bikini top. The brand is Swimsuits for All. I've never tried this brand, Swimsuits for All. This is what the back looks like. It's really kind of a cute suit. That's the back. And then it has the New at Tags matching bottom, and the bottom has this, ooh, that's gonna be so sexy, isn't it? But yeah, brand new. And so I'm still picking up swimsuits, but swimsuits sell for me year round. I will probably list that myself. This one is going in my fall show. Look how pretty it is. This one is a size small and it's almost like a dip dye ombre type. Is this an alpaca angora? I don't know if you'll be able to see the little fuzzies on this one. It's a size small hooded sweater by the brand Fate. And I'll check real quick. Hang with me just a moment. This one is mohair, wool, and nylon, and it is in beautiful condition. I think this is a great piece. It's a really lightweight. I'm not sure. I haven't looked up the comps on that one. I'm not sure if I'll sell that one myself or if I will auction it. It's a super cozy kind of fall transitional piece. Next up is a brand, Natori. And this is polyester. It is not silk. Does Natori make silk pieces? This one I have only picked up once before, and I did sell it on Whatnot. This one is a size large. Yeah, size large Natori. And it is a full length slit right there. I should, but yeah, it looks like this. A full length gold and kind of a tomato color red. Is that a lounge dress? I wouldn't call it a muumuu. I wouldn't call it a caftan. What would you guys call this? Is this a nightgown? It feels really silky and luxurious. It's in great condition. Next up, I got this REI. I think this one is also a size small. REI kind of outdoor top. This one, maybe this one's better for springtime, summertime, but it's in great condition. Tank tops, they're tough to sell, right? But I found this one. This is by Prana, and it is a size small. So I do okay with Prana, and that one just cost me pennies, so I decided to get it. This one, I think this would be a good fall piece, guys, because of the colors. This is a J. Jill size large. This is a cotton and acrylic J. Jill size large cotton and acrylic tank top. But I do think this would look really nice with a blazer or a cardigan sweater over it because it's some really great fall colors. This is not a fall piece at all. Pink Cadillac. I should look this up. In fact, I will put some comps right up here so you guys can see, because I just picked this up strictly on style. And yeah, if it doesn't have a lot of value, I will sell this on Whatnot. This is just a size small top, but look at that embroidery detail and beading detail. Every bead is there. This top feels and looks like it was never worn. It does have that crossback detail, but fully lined. Really, really nice condition. I hope it's worth something. I should have looked things up so I could share that with you. This is the brand CP Shades. It is a size large. It's in a purple, just a button front top. It's almost, oh, you can see how it kind of plays on the light. It's a really cool color. That needs to get processed. This is the last, is this? Yeah, this is the last piece. Okay, I don't know how many pieces I got. I am going to put that right here on the video so you guys can see how many pieces I got in total and what my average cost per piece is. Next up is a blazer. A blazer by the brand Talbots. This is a 2-button tweed blazer by Talbots. It's in very good condition and it's a good size. It does have that little venting on the back. The vent is open. There's a hair. It looks like my hair, and some chest pockets on it. This one is a, what size are you? A size 10. Talbots, size 10. I just sold a tweed blazer by Talbots just the other day for $36. So I will pick up Talbots in the thrift store if I can get it at a great price and it's a substantial piece. So hopefully that will do well. Okay, we're moving right into shoes. I did pick up a pair of Merrell hiking boots, and they're actually outside drying right now because they had a lot of mud on them. That is not uncommon for hiking boots and running shoes and stuff like that. So I'm not going to share those with you today, but there is a pair of Merrell hiking boots in a size 8. They are my size. Next up is a pair of Danskos, and yeah, they do have some toe prints in them. I will see if I can scrub those out, but this is a leather Dansko. They are a size 39. They look like this. They're in pretty good condition. That's what the heels look like. And a pair of Danskos. Next up, I have a pair of Vionic. This is a brand that I have traditionally done very, very well with, but I'll tell you what, my sales on Vionics have slowed down quite a bit. So I'm trying to be a little more particular. Why did I bring these home? Because they were $1.80. That's the truth, because these need some TLC. This is a wedge kind of heel, a wedge work comfort shoe. Vionic is a great comfort shoe. These are a smaller size. I believe these are a size 7, but you can see there in the back that they do have some scuffing on them. I'm going to see if I can make that look a little bit better. I did already brush these because they were so dirty. Sometimes I just want the challenge to see if I can revive the shoes, or that's how I feel while I am in the thrift store. And how when I come home and I look at it and I say, did I really need another project? I may have to just list these low and just accept an offer on those. Next up is another small pair of shoes, but this is a style I have done very, very well with in the past. These are Free People, and it's kind of an iconic Free People style. I think they were the first ones to come out with this style, and then so many other brands duplicated. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are a size 36.5. So a smaller size Free People. They should still do pretty good. Next up, okay, these need some leather conditioning and some polish, but I was excited to find these. They look like kind of a clog, and these are by the brand UGG. If you'll be able to see it. I know you can see it right here on that stud. It says UGG on it. Doesn't say it on the back. That's what the back looks like. This is a wooden wedge clog style shoe, and they do have, you can see it right there, they have the shearling on the inside. So we'll give those a try. These are in pretty good shape, but I did see, like you can see right here, just some little marks on the leather. So I am going to condition, and I may polish these shoes if they need a polish. Okay. I picked up some cowboy boots, and these are actually children's cowboy boots. These are a size 4, a girl's size 4. They're by the brand Old West. They are all leather, and these are going to look really, really good with a polish on them. So I will polish these up. Let me see if you can see where it says Old West on the inside. I'm going to zoom in. But yeah, I was hoping these were a small woman's cowboy boots, but I've had pretty good luck selling children's cowboy boots as well. I'm trying to get myself completely out of the children's market, but I picked those up. Next up is a pair of Toms. This is a gray suede Toms wedge booty. What size? They're a nice size. I can tell that by looking at them. These are a size 10 Toms, and they do have a little bit of heel drag on them, if you can see that. But I mean, the price was right, and I think they still have a lot of wear left in them. So yeah, I brought them home. I love these Chelsea boots, guys. Look how cute these are. And these are in marvelous, like new condition, although I would never sell them. I always would say good used condition. A lug sole, animal print. This is all man-made. I normally stay away from all man-made, but unless they're super trendy, like this shoe, that's what the tread looks like. And these are Steve Madden. And oh, no, they're not even Steve Madden. They are Madden Girl, and they are a size 9.5. I suspect that they came from TJ Maxx or Marshalls because they use those tags on it. What does it say? It says 9.5, and that is Madden Girl. This other one looks just as good. So yeah, it looks like a Chelsea boot, but it does have the zip closure on the interior of the boot. So yeah, I was so happy about these. I would, if they were just a 9, I could wear them, maybe. Okay, this is it. You reached the end of the video, and this was a small haul for me. Usually I like to load up, but I was really just out celebrating National Thrift Day. So at this particular thrift store, they have some seats in the shoe area, I guess, to try shoes on. So every time I go here, I look at shoes first, and I sit my mother in one of those chairs while I check out some other things. It's a small thrift store, so she can see me anywhere that I go. Well, she was sitting on that chair, and she started to get cold. Now, mind you, it's like over 100 degrees where I live right now, but the air conditioning was chilling her. So as I was looking through the racks, my mother came walking up to me wearing this great big fuzzy teddy coat, and I started laughing. She said that she got cold, and then I said, let me see that jacket. Let me see what you found. And guys, this is what she put on. This jacket. And this is a Free People jacket, size large. I cannot find the exact style of this jacket. I did find the OB number. It's on the inside, but when I put it into a Google search, it just brought up all of these teddy coats and Sherpa jackets. This is super, super plush. This is a nice, heavyweight Sherpa jacket. It is a shorter jacket, and it does have a full zip on it. It's a size large. I cannot, my mother is not a size large, guys. She is a petite, small woman. This jacket is in marvelous condition. The best I could tell is these jackets are selling around the $99, $100 price point. I spent $51 at the thrift store this day. So if this jacket can sell for $100, I'm in the money, right? I'm home free. So I was so happy that my mother found this jacket. And as soon as we walked outside, it was far too warm for her to continue wearing the teddy jacket that she found. Good find, Mama. You did really, really good. Guys, that is all I have to share with you today. Thank you for joining me. I hope that thrifting has been awesome for you. Please let me know if you went out on National Thrift Day and what was your best find. I would say this is the best find, but I didn't find this. So I'll say these. This was my favorite find besides the jacket that Mama found. Thank you again for joining me. Please thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done that. I will be back with more reselling content. Blessings to all of you.